This video will teach you how to use the City of Hutchins See-Click-Fix app on Apple iOS phones and tablets. Once you've downloaded the app and open it up, you will see this screen. These links will take you to specific pages on the City website, including the home page and the link where you can pay your water bill online. If you need to call the non-emergency police line or City Hall, just click and it will open the number to call. To create an account, click the Profile button on the far right, select Register, and submit your information. It is not necessary for you to create an account to create requests, but it will allow you to track the request status and view notifications. If you do have an account, those notifications will appear by clicking on the second button that says Notices. In the app or general phone settings, you will be able to manage permissions so you can receive or not receive push notifications like you would for text messages. To create a request, click either the tab on the home page or this plus sign in the middle and follow the prompts. First, you have the opportunity to upload photos of the issue. Next, you will need to indicate the location. You can do this by moving the pin on the map or manually typing the address. You may be prompted to allow the app to access your location. Enabling GPS may also help you enter the location of your request when you're not exactly sure of the address and you are currently at the site of the issue. It is important to note that enabling location is not necessary to use the app. The location will only be used when you are actively using the app and can also be managed using your phone settings. After confirming the location, you can then choose the type of issue you are reporting. Last, you will answer the questions and submit the request. As mentioned, if you create an account, you will receive updates on your request status, such as when it has been viewed by a real person and when it is resolved. On the bottom, you will see a button that says Requests. Here, you can see all the requests that others have entered nearby on the map and through a list view. Before entering a new request, you may wish to consider checking here to see if it's already been entered. At the top, you can click on the Filter button to search for requests entered into the system. If you have additional questions, you can go back to your profile, click Settings, and then press the Help button. I hope this video helps.